Butter chicken can be many things to many people. For some, it can be emotion like a taste of home. For some, it's their sinful indulgence. But our very own butter chicken is in the controversy. The famous dish is at the heart of a 2 crore legal battle. The two Indian restaurant chains, Moti Mahal and Daryaganj, locked in a legal battle over claims to its origin. Let's revisit the history. Moti Mahal, established in Delhi in the 1920s, is often credited with the creation of butter chicken. However, Daryaganj, which is another revered eatery in the capital, challenges this narrative, claiming that they hold true secret behind the iconic dish. Moti Mahal, a restaurant that boasts esteemed guests like the late US President Richard Nixon and India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, maintains that its founder Kundan Lal Gujral invented the butter chicken prior to the partition of India and Pakistan. Daryaganj, which was established in 2019, claims a member of its founding family, Kundan Lal Jaggi, partnered with Moti Mahal's Gujral to open the Delhi's restaurant in 1947, and the dish was invented there. The butter chicken dispute is in the court, and the next hearing is in May 2024. However, it is not the only culinary tug of wars. Before this, Rasgulla rivalry, biryani battles, and puchka versus pani puri debates have been the talk of town. The year 2024 is all about health and fitness. From workouts to nutrition, mental health to community support. It is all about prioritizing our well-being and making positive lifestyle choices. So, as customers, do we really care about who invented the dish? Or we more focus on the nutritional value of it? From the health perspective, the dish is so caloric dense that you would need to run for at least 2 hours to negate its effects. It is made with tandoor cooked chicken pieces mixed in with the tomato gravy with dollops of cream and butter that comprises 550 calories. And that's without factoring in the naan or rotis often enjoyed with it. When served with bread such as butter naans, butter rotis, you are looking at a caloric intake of close to 1000 calories in a single meal. The chicken chunks are high in protein and low in fat, but the preparation of the dish makes it an absolute nightmare. The chicken is basted with oodles of butter or oil over coal to keep it nice and moist. Tomatoes are healthy, but cooked in fats such as butter makes it a caloric bomb. These ingredients not only enhance the taste, but also pack a caloric punch. The dish derives most of its flavors from fats alone, coming from cream, butter and refined oils added at various stages of the cooking. While butter chicken is undeniably delicious, it's essential to consume it in moderation. The high fat and calorie content can contribute to weight gain if not balanced with a nutrient-rich diet. You can reduce the calorie content by using yogurt instead of cream and opting for leaner cuts of chicken. Balancing the flavors without compromising on taste is the key. So in conclusion, butter chicken may be a calorie-dense delight, but with moderation and some creative tweaks, it can still have a place in a well-rounded diet. It's all about savoring the flavors responsibly.